Hi, hello. So this is just a little pre-video update. This is me in September of 2019. This is obviously pre-COVID, before travel was like a hot mess. On really human contact in general. So I'm gonna be talking about things that were in my backpack. Please add masks, please add hand sanitizer on the occasion that you do travel, and know that I just miss it. And I will be making commentary throughout the video, just because I'm that person and I just can't help it. So if I say something in there, I'm just gonna have a little blurb from 2020 me and some of my, oh, you will never have imagined this. So yeah, if you want to see me ramble on about a backpack and my smart-ass COVID commentary, please enjoy.
Okay. Hi guys. So this is not really a normal video that I would typically make, but I am currently packing to head back to the US after a wonderful 2 weeks here in Brazil. I figured I would show you guys kind of what I pack normally, and then I would show you how I put it all in my Osprey 40-liter backpack. Just because I guess I was kind of curious to see kind of what other people would bring. So I remember I would watch videos and stuff like that, so I figured I would just kind of show the weird plethora of items that I bring and then kind of add almost like a sustainability twist of like, I do bring some extra items sometimes, just because I want to make sure that I'm always prepared with reusables or like bags or things like that. So I just figured I would show you all that, and let's just get into it. Well, one of the biggest things for a trip, obviously, is that you are not naked most of the time unless you want to be. So I would personally bring some clothing. So usually when I come to Brazil, I've been here twice, but both times it's been warmer weather. Excuse the motorcycle if you could hear it. I don't need to bring that many clothes per se, in the way of like, I don't need jackets and I don't need like lots of pants and things like that. It's usually really light, and I tend to prefer to wear dresses anyway, just because they're easy. So I guess some of the first ones are just dresses. So like I've got this pretty flowy one, it's really light, and I got that while I was here actually the last time. Both of these are from Target before I started doing a little bit more like secondhand kind of stuff. So those are both cool. This one I did get secondhand, super nice, just flowy light. It is a little bit heavier though. And when it's heavier, you kind of just want to wear it because it's going to be heavy in your backpack, or you like, I'm switching it off. So I brought my jeans last time in my backpack, but as when I go back, I'm just going to wear them this time and see how that works. So I'll just roll this really tight. So that's 4 dresses. And then I guess if you're counting nightgowns, because I basically live in those too, so I've just got 2 nightgowns as well. So we've got 4 dresses, 2 nightgowns, 1 pair of jean shorts, nothing too interesting. That's just because it's easy and I literally only own 1 pair of jean shorts. So yeah, I brought that with me. 1 pair of yoga pants, just super chill, and they have pockets on the side leg, which is really nice for travel, because then I can like put my phone here, like my passport here, or whatever. So I'll bring those. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and no, like 4, and then 5 like chill t-shirts or tanks. I don't tend to wear these as much as I thought I would. I brought them just more as an in-case kind of situation, but they're definitely good options to have if you're more of like a t-shirt person. But like I said, I tend to wear dresses quite a lot, and then I've been known to steal my boyfriend's t-shirts every once in a while. And then I've got 2 nicer shirts. This one's just really light and flowy. I just really like this. It's got a really nice print and it's really cooling, so that's nice. And then just my other little mustard off the shoulder one. So yeah, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shirts. And I just kind of switch it off and on depending on what's going on that day. Let's see, what else do I have? I mean, the classic underwear, bra, socks scenario is helpful. And I'm trying to, and I shove them all in here. So it just all gets really compact and put into here. I put them all together just so then like I'm not searching for stuff all the time. That is also my underwear, if you wanted to know what that was, fascinating. Oh, and then I've got one more flowy dress that I adore, and I just basically live in this most of the time. It's just huge and obnoxious, and it's awesome when it's so humid. So yeah, I just kind of chill in that. And let's see, I know I have a pair of shorts hiding here somewhere, like those jogging shorts, but like I didn't wear them at all, so I don't even know if they're worth a mention. Because if you live in your jogging shorts, then wear those because they're really nice and easy to wear. And then like when I hang out in the apartment or whatever, I just wear my like shorts that I've literally had since I was probably 12 and like back when I played soccer, so a million years ago. So I've got all of that. Oh, there they are. There's all that. And then, I mean, swimsuits are a good one if you're gonna wear a swimsuit. I brought one whole suit, and then I brought one bikini bottom. I tend to just have, lately I went with the black bikini just because I can have like, switch it up. So I've got like one bikini bottom that's just really simple. And then I've got this really pretty mesh top that I actually bought separately just at another time. And then a normal triangle bikini top. I think my only fun thing that I did buy while I was here in Brazil was I tried the new little crazy Brazilian style bikini bottom, which definitely is a bit smaller, but very fun, and I felt a little rebellious wearing this coming from my nice good girl Kansas vibe. So that was super cool, and I just kind of wore those. I didn't really do the whole suit. It was more just like a side option, but yeah. So I've got those, and then I think the only other thing in like the clothing realm, because I genuinely, that's kind of all I brought for clothes, was these right here. This is just awesome because like my legs touch, God forbid, and so when I walk around in dresses, which I love, they stick and they get sweaty and it's gross and then they chafe and I don't like it. And so I finally splurged and bought some of these babies, and they're like, I don't even remember what they're called. I'll put the name in the bottom somewhere. And I just bought these because I wanted to try them out, because my legs are always rubbing together, and it's just kind of a fun way to not have to wear those massive suction shorts like I did bring just in case. And yeah, I mean, they do the same thing, but I just kind of thought this would be a fun switch up to, you just put them around your legs here and then they just keep your legs from chafing. So yeah, I've got that too. That's about it on the clothes area. Okay, and then I guess we'll get into just kind of the other stuff that I would bring, like toiletries would be really common. I still have some of my toiletries in the bathroom, but like I have my bamboo toothbrush, tweezers, nail clippers, my shampoo bars. I actually think I have here, yeah. I have my shampoo bars and stuff like that I just bring in my little travel tin, which is great. And then I just bring a reusable, like a natural loofah sponge to exfoliate. And then my oils that I make myself, which you can actually see in my bathroom routine-ish video. And I'll put that in the link, a link in the description below. If you want to see what my zero waste bathroom routine is, you're totally welcome to it, because that's pretty much the simple stuff that I brought with me, along with the hairbrush that's in that video as well. So I brought those normal kind of toiletries, and then I did bring some electronics, like for this camera, the tripod, some chargers, a memory card, my external hard drive, and then like my laptop, which is behind me. And then, yeah, that's pretty much what I did with the miscellaneous. I really didn't bring that much makeup. I literally, and my makeup is just like whatever I've had over time. I've been trying to work my way through whatever makeup I still have before I start looking into like more sustainable makeup brands and stuff like that. I have a couple that are really nice, but I mean, most of it's just like, I brought what, like a brow brush just to control this ridiculous that I have here, just kind of, you know, calm it down. And then I've got a brush, some foundation, and like a lipstick and a mascara. So nothing too crazy. And then some accessories with some rings that I wear, some earrings, and I just pop it in this old Vera Bradley hack. I don't even really know what this was supposed to be for, but I've literally used this for years to carry all of my jewelry when I travel. So that is definitely a good one as well. So we've got clothes, we've got electronics, we've got toiletries, we've got makeup, we've got shoes, which are, I have one pair of Vans, one pair of sandals, and one pair of flip-flops. And then I've got my dirty laundry here, so I just shove it all in here. The only last thing that I would mention is there's a dress there. So that also counts. It's a romper, I guess. And then the last one is a sarong. So when you think about like beaches in Brazil and stuff, because where I'm at right now is Salvador, there is a beach. I don't go every day, but when I do, it's really nice. I haven't had to think about bringing like a towel because I bring a sarong. So I brought one with me from my last trip. It's gorgeous and I adore it and it's really pretty and stuff. And then I you know, I'm addicted, so I bought another one. But this is just great if you have not had a sarong before, or if you have, you've probably seen a million. This is just one of the ones that I brought with me. It's quite large. You can wear it like a dress, you can wear it like a skirt, you can just wrap it around your body. It can be a towel to lay down on the beach. You can put it on a chair, you can wear it as a blanket if it gets cooler at night. I just kind of love it. I just roll it up in my like day pack, my little tote bag, and it's just with me if I need it. So yeah, I think that's the only other thing that I would do for like warm weather kind of stuff. If you like this video, I will definitely put at the end, I'm going to show you guys how I pack it all, so I'll put this at the end, but I thought I would just say it now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, give it a like, give it a little thumbs up, and then put some comments below if you have any other questions about maybe how I pack for different weather or things like that. So yeah, just let me know, and I'll just show you how I pack it all up.